Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to use 3D in Adobe Illustrator CC19. So let's go ahead. I'll take pen tool and I'll create a candle shape. Alright, so I have a candle shape. I don't need a fill color and I select a color for the stroke. Stroke is the outline color in Illustrator, as you can see. Now I'll select this candle shape and go to Effect, 3D, Revolve. In Revolve, I'll put on the preview and turn on the right edge and I'll get a candle shape. So you see, if I increase the offset, it becomes wider, so I don't need it wide. I need it the shape of a candle. So I select OK. I want my candle to be slightly larger, so slightly longer. And set it here. If you want your edges to be smooth, you can always make them slightly smooth. That's about it. Now I create a wick for the candle, which will be black in color. So here's the wick of the candle. I try to place it in the middle. So since my snapping is on, it's not getting placed at the right place. So put off the snap, place it at the right place. Alright. Now I'll be creating a stand for the candle. Select the stroke and select the color. Let's select it as brown. Let the stroke be brown. Now I go to Effect, 3D, Revolve, and turn on the preview. I don't want it from the left edge, I want it from the right edge. So I get the stand here. Select OK. And if you want the stands to have smooth edges, this is how it will get smooth edges. Alright. So I right click and go to Arrange and see, go to Back. And place the stand right below the candle. Alright. Now I need a cover for the candle. Make it windproof, just like a lantern. I go to Effect, Revolve, turn on preview, turn on right edge, and this is what I was looking for. Just that I'll increase the offset a little. Alright, I'll change the color of this cover to slightly green, and I'll reduce the opacity so that the candle is visible. I'll also go and convert the edges to smooth. I'll smoothen the edges. Much better. Right. Now we need to create a flame for the candle. I'll take an elliptical tool. I'll reset the top and bottom edges. I'll get down these vertices down a bit to give it the shape of a flame. I'll give it a gradient, let it look like a flame, and let the flame begin from here. I'll reduce the size of the flame. Right click, set arrange, send to back. Alright. I need to increase the size of this glass cover. Fine. Now I need to create an outer glow for the flame. I'll turn off the stroke and give it a gradient. Right click, arrange, send to back. I'll increase the size of the glow a bit. I also go and reduce the opacity of this glow. I'll go to Effect, Blur, Gaussian Blur. And set the blur to around 8. Click OK. Now I want to show my candle and the glow and the candle stand inside the dark room. So I go and set the background to black. Right click, arrange, send to back. And this is what my 3D candle and glow look like. I can also reduce the opacity of this. So this is what it would look like. Hope you liked it. See you next time.